SARURA kids.
Hi, today we're going to learn some common greetings in Shona. At the end of this video, you'll hear them used in a conversation. This video is approximately 6 minutes long, and you get the chance to practice the words. Right, let's get started. How do you say hello to a friend?
Dapy.
Listen again.
Dapy.
Listen again.
Dapy.
Baby!
And Dapy.
Now you say it. How do you say, how are you, to a friend?
Weeble.
Listen again.
Weeble. Hello.
Now you say it. How do you say hello to a grown-up?
Kazuai.
Listen again.
Kazuai.
Now you say it. How do you say, how are you, to a grown-up?
Makadi.
Listen again.
Makadi.
Now you say it.
Makadi.
How do you say, how was your day?
Maswera say.
Listen again.
Maswera say.
Now you say it. How do you say, how was your night?
Marara say.
Listen again.
Marara say.
Now you say it.
Marara say.
How do you say, excuse me?
Pamasorai.
Listen again.
Pamasorai.
Now you say it. How do you say, my name is Janet?
Dinonzi Janet.
Listen again.
Dinonzi Janet.
Now you say it.
Dinonzi Janet. Dinonzi Janet.
How do you say, what's your name?
Manonzi Annie.
Listen again.
Manonzi Annie. Why?
Now you say it. How do you say, nice to meet you?
Tafara kuku zifai.
Listen again.
Tafara kuku zifai.
Now you say it. How do you say, let's go and play?
Hande tino tamba.
Listen again.
Hande tino tamba.
Now you say it. How do you say, have a safe trip?
Mufambe jakalaka.
Listen again.
Mufambe zvakanaka.
Now you say it. Now, let's use some of those words in a conversation.
Kazwai mai makadi henyu? Kazwai mwanangu wakadiko hako? Tiripo makadii? Tiripo zvedu. Yakadiko muri? Varipo zvavo vazukuru vari kungokura. Kushamwari dzako idzi dzinonzi ani? Ini ndinonzi Janet. Ini ndinonzi Susan. Tafara kukuzivai vanangu.
Mufambe zvakanaka mai. This is the end of the video. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel and tell a friend about us. Thank you for watching.